Hi, I am Sam. In today's scenario, suppliers, manufacturers, logistic providers, channel partners, retailers, and service partners often stay disconnected, which results in lack of complete supply chain visibility, which in turn drive production costs up, increase inventory maintenance costs, leading to sales loss and impacting quality. To overcome these challenges and increase supply chain efficiency, we have introduced a one-stop solution.
eSeal, the digital supply chain platform. eSeal is a ready-to-use cloud-based SaaS solution which uses 16-digit unique IoT, also known as eSeal code. This code, when affixed on SKUs, helps to obtain the product genealogy and hence assist in optimizing your inventory, reducing the quality rejects, increasing your sales. Let us find out how eSeal adds value to your conventional supply chain.
Meet Stella, who is the head of production in one of the world's leading electrical manufacturing company. It's been a while. Stella is annoyed due to regular quality rejects during manufacturing process, resulting in loss of sales and deterioration of brand image. With eSeal, Stella now has real-time visibility into her production process and also enabled her to identify root causes for quality issues at every stage. This has helped Stella to reduce losses due to quality issues and minimize product recalls. John is a warehouse manager in world's leading lubricant company. Now, let us find out why John is so much frustrated. John is struggling to identify product locations in the warehouse, which is affecting his FIFO dispatch. This has led to huge stock obsolescence and thus incurring losses. John also has a challenge of containing wrong dispatches to avoid sales loss and returns. eSeal has enabled John to digitalize his existing warehouse. eSeal's WMS solution has provided John complete visibility into inventory across all the warehouses. This has enabled John to better manage his inventory levels and reduce misplacement of stocks, thus saving huge amount of money by eliminating losses. Monica, the sales head in a leading FMCG company, is looking in so much pressure. The reason for this is a huge loss due to absence of secondary sales visibility. Moreover, Monica is also worried about the negative impact of brand equity. After implementing eSeal's real-time secondary sales visibility through the distributor management system, which enabled sales tracking, faster stock replenishment at channels, led to control in sales loss along with supply chain integrity by providing product movement visibility to Monica across supply chain. eSeal today is with leading brands across industries in enabling them to transform from a linear to a digital supply network. Over the last decade, eSeal has digitalized over 350 product lines, more than 500 warehouses, and has helped brands reducing operational costs by 2 to 3%, increasing sale by 3 to 4%, and savings due to reduction in stock obsolescence up to 3.5% across the industries of pharma, lubricants, CPG, electrical, agriculture, etc. So, are you ready to transform your supply chain with eSeal? Do reach us for more info and log on to www.suneratech.com/eSeal.